We're just taking a walk close by in the area. We're going to an outdoor, um, is it a mall? You don't call that a mall? Well, I guess so. And there's a nice bakery there. So we head into there. Oh, look who counting his steps.
Oh, yeah, we're going to check 100.
Be good.
53. It'll come to 4.
He manually checking. We're going to compare with those of us who have their watch. This is interesting.
400.
Whoa.
Exact right. So this one working out, it's for 100 steps. I don't know what up and down, you know. Flat probably right with it. Yeah.
That don't register as accurate as the watch.
I assume so.
How come?
Well,
Oh, you're taking your pulse or something
Because
in your watch?
that kind of just measuring. It is kind of measure the steps.
Oh.
It don't measure your actual steps.
Oh, got it.
They do not kilometer. If you measure distance accurate, I would think you should get what steps.
But yesterday, with the walk that I did, was 16,000 steps.
16,000?
Yeah.
Steps, yeah. Yes.
Let me check. How much steps you did so far? Oh, all right, right. Yes.
Beautiful sky. Check out those clouds. Like angels flying. Remember in primary school? We learn about those clouds. What is that? Series, or something like that. What's the name of those clouds, Joe? Siri or some kind of something. Remember in primary school?
I remember a few names. Serious or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think that's a spotty one. I'm not sure.
I think that is this one. But anyway.
It's too far. Good types of clothes on them.
Yeah. What's the temperature now, babe?
Types of clothes and names.
It's 27 degrees Celsius. It is hot. We are sweating. We have a hats on.
Clouds and names. You're right, this one was like serious.
Right. See, I kind of remember.
Yeah, you're right. This is like lines, board lines.
I have to bring my stand to put this cell phone there. Yeah. Wow, look where it is. Nice bakery. So this is where we get our spelt bread. And if you know what spelt flour is, it is gluten free. It does have a bit of gluten, but it's a different kind of gluten. It acts differently in your body. It's not like regular white flour. So it's It's what I have, and I have coconut flour as well. Look at all these goodies, but don't get carried away. But they are all so good. I'll have the same one that I had the last time. Hot.
Yeah, 2 Americanos.
So let me see.
Okay, do a splash of milk and water. Water.
Beautiful place to sit. If you want something to drink, coffee. Thank you. Bring my hat, please, and 1 minute. Very nice. Susie, where are you? We have meat pie. Oh yes. Let me see the wallet here. This is meat pie. Let me wash my hands and come in.
If you're you see you have a backlighting on your face here.
Yeah.
If you sit down behind the wall,
Oh, behind the wall.
but you also you're keeping that beauty of the trees back there. You see the cake is now brighter,
Yeah.
and your face is brighter.
Yeah.
Let me just
She's a
fix it
professional
because
videographer, wedding video. So you're just giving me advice. Okay. Yeah, you sure you don't want coffee, babe?
yeah, if I feel to get something as
Meat pie. Okay. Whoopsie. This
Good.
is just delicious. And you know what it tastes like? Spanakopita. Spanakopita is with the spinach, yeah, but it's the meat is real delicious. Nice and flaky. Well seasoned meat. Very nice. What coffee this is again?
Americano.
Oh boy, I wonder if I can. Oop! Cannot, people. I definitely cannot be a barista. That's it for today, folks. I'll catch you on the next vlogging of my daily life.